Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this video, I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the iQOO Z5 versus the iQOO 7 device. The iQOO Z5, which has got the Snapdragon 778G processor, and the iQOO 7 has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset. Let's see friends, which phone will be having really good in terms of the opening speeds, in terms of having the really good RAM management speeds as well. And during this time I did include the 5 applications and 5 games, and 5 games out of those I did include the Asphalt 9 game, Battlegrounds mobile game, Call of Duty and the Free Fire, as you can see exactly. So this is going to be really very interesting test. Let's see which phone will be able to manage in terms of opening them faster and keeping them in the background RAM management. That's another most important thing in this video. So first I did clear everything from the background. There is no applications running in the background at this moment. And next thing, I need to show you exactly what kind of Wi-Fi connection both phones are connected at this point. Let me need to connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Let me need to select the 2.4 GHz. So let's, as you can see right now I connected to the same Wi-Fi network 2.4 GHz in both phones. So let me need to clear everything from the background. So all the apps are completely clean from the background. And now let's start with the first application, which is a Google Chrome application, and then I'll try to open one by one. So during this time I did not enable any kind of monster mode. There is no ultra game mode, nothing is enabled. You can clearly see here it's not enabled at all. That's the one thing which I'm just confirming you. And is a Chrome application first open in the iQOO 7 device. Amazon application also slightly kind of first open maybe in the iQOO 7, but let's see the loading speeds, how they are loading. And next is the Flipkart application. So Flipkart also slightly, it feels kind of faster in the iQOO 7 device in terms of the loading speeds. Even the iQOO Z5 is also not bad friends in terms of the loading. So it was really good for this kind of price, I can definitely say that. This is a touch sampling rate application which I'm trying to keep some lines in the background as a RAM management. Is a Play Store, not bad. So both phones kind of very close to each other in terms of the opening speeds of the Play Store. Next is the games. Let's see the games friends, which phone can actually open Subway Surf, and starting with a small game, then I'll try to include big games. So iQOO 7 did open I think slightly faster. Next is the Asphalt 9 game. Let's see the Asphalt 9. So Asphalt 9 game first showed in the iQOO Z5. iQOO Z5 has got the LPDDR5 RAM type. That's another advantage which the iQOO Z5 has got, whereas the iQOO 7 has got the LPDDR4X RAM type. Let's see Asphalt 9 game, which phone can open fast. So iQOO Z5 did open the Asphalt 9 game faster than the iQOO 7 device. You can see the time difference, how much gap it's there. So next is the Battlegrounds mobile game. So I do know that this phone is a really new one, iQOO Z5, and iQOO 7 I'm using for the past few months as well. That's another thing you can definitely take into consideration. But in terms of the speed test, it doesn't matter much even for using long time. So right now you can see the speeds. iQOO 7 was able to open faster the Battlegrounds mobile game. So next is Call of Duty. Let's see the Call of Duty. And next thing I need to do the RAM management test as well. So RAM management test is going to be really very interesting and challenging as well, because it need to load all these games and applications. Sorry. So first phone to open is the iQOO 7 device. In terms of the Call of Duty game, you can clearly see iQOO 7 phone did open the Call of Duty game faster. Next is a Free Fire game. Let's say a Free Fire game. So Free Fire game, that is the final game in this kind of comparison. So the next step is to compare the RAM management. So which phone has got really good RAM management? That is our next step to compare. So first phone to show the tap to touch is touch to open is iQOO 7 device. Next, let me try to click at same time. So I did click at same time in both phones, and iQOO Z5 a little bit faster but not much. So overall friends, in terms of the speed test, both phones are kind of very close, but iQOO 7 was able to manage slightly kind of better in terms of the opening speeds, iQOO 7 device. These are the few games and applications which I did open right now completely in the background RAM management. Clearly see everything I did open. Now let's start from the last game. One by one we'll try to open just to check how is the RAM management is going on. So Battlegrounds mobile till here no problem. Asphalt 9 game also no problem. Both phones did keep the Asphalt 9 game in the background. RAM management, that's perfect. Next is a Subway Surf game. Subway Surf game also no problem, as you can see. So that's perfect, fantastic. And here we go with the Play Store 1, 2, 3. No issue, it did not even get reloaded in terms of the Play Store. Next is a touch sampling rate 1, 2, 3. Boom, same as it is. Flipkart also no issues, Amazon also no issues, and Chrome also no issues. In terms of the RAM management, pretty much very much close to each other. So there's nothing much difference, friends, in terms of the RAM management in the iQOO Z5. That's fantastic thing to know. So in terms of the speed test, slightly little bit the iQOO 7 was able to manage to open faster. In terms of the opening speeds, that's the one thing you can definitely understand. So this is a quick speed test and the RAM management test comparison between both phones. I hope you understand what my point is, and thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. I'll stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries between these both phones, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.